bass player though, okay? Has serious sexual issues. Involving a hairbrush, baby oil, leather sheets, and a stuffed goose. Got a little bit more on the guitar, a little bit more on. So, while I was still at school, I fell in love with the blues, American blues, and I thought, what better interpreter of black American blues than a 16-year-old white middle-class Australian child? Right? Made a hell of a lot of sense to me. That's me on the right. No, wait, left. No, you're right. Left. Stage left. Yes, and they are tartan pants. Long before, what's their names? What was that Scottish band? Yeah, those guys. Okay, they copied me. But that was a blues band. I don't know what the hell I was doing wearing tartan pants in a blues band. So these guys were all older than me. I was 16 and they were like 24, 25. And they're from a real rough area of Melbourne called Jordanville. And a couple of them had been in prison. And some of the hangers-on, the guys that helped us out with gear and stuff, had been in prison more than once. And there was one guy named Tawny who was like, had the unibrow job. And, dude, was I really ever that young? So I told the story about Tawny, that he was a really a tough guy to my 5-year-old niece in Australia, and I asked her to draw Tawny, right? So, can you put up the drawing of Tawny that my niece? That's my student. I look like a delinquent, don't I? Okay, you're not going to put it up. All right, never mind. So, anyway, Tawny was I was terrified of Tawny, right? And I'm seeing this I'm playing with these guys, and this pop band sees me playing, so they say, you want to join our band? Because we actually have girls come to our show. Because back then, the only people who came to the blues shows were young guys. So I said, yeah, I'm there. So I said, I go to these guys, this blues band, and I say, guys, I just got a great offer. I'm going to go over here and join this band. And I thought they'd go, congratulations, well done. They said, we'll break your friggin' legs. And they meant it. And so I'm doing my last show with these guys, right? And the show finishes, and I get off the stage, and I'm looking for which one is the baseball bat, because I know they're going to do it. And who comes up to me? Friggin' Tawny. He goes, hey, come here. So he takes me outside, right? Grabs me by the skinny arm, my arm's about that skinny like that. Grabs me by the arm, takes me outside. He says, get in the bed. All right, that's my niece's drawing. She decided to call him Tawny. I don't know. And I'm pretty sure he didn't have fangs. And I don't think he wore dresses either. But you get the idea. I mean, he was a pretty mean guy. He's got muscles. So Tawny grabbed me by the arm, and he says, get in the van. So I said, oh, I'm not cleaning the blood off the inside of the van when you're done. Right? So he gets in the van, and he shuts the door, says, sit down. So I sit down, I'm like, yes, Tawny. And he goes, you go do what you want to do, okay? I'll take care of these guys. I could have kissed him. I didn't because he'd been in prison a couple of times. I wasn't sure how he'd take it. But tonight, you saved there's a couple of people that through your life changed the direction of your life. He was one of us. So tonight, this is one of the songs I used to do with that blues band. And tonight, this is for Tawny, called Rollin' and Tumbling. everything I had was gone. And I know my baby, she's gonna jump and shout. And I know my baby, she's gonna jump and shout. When that train rolls up, I'm gonna come walking out. All the whiskey and women would let me have my way. Stand your box, go solo! Serious?